Hello, it's me, Nadia, again. I got some requests I have to do for burping. One of them is,
I love you.
oh, no, I can do this.
I love you. Yeah.
See, that one was I love you, Roger. And then some other people just wanted me to do really big burps. And yes, it's snowing. Whoop. Yeah, okay. And then we're going to do a really cool one. Presents! Ooh. And then we're going to do bubbles again. Bubble, poke, poke, poke. Ooh. See how cool that was? And then we're going to do me. Ew, I don't like this one. How about this one? This one's my favorite. What's this one? Yeah. No, this one was my favorite because I think I look cool. Maybe, but it just said stop burping. You know what I say?
Shut up.
Oh, I just got screamed at. Okay, we're going to do other effects. Like the biggest one. Ew, I don't like this one. I look so weird. Ew. I look like the possessed devil.
So what? Yeah.
Ooh, that was a big one. I want to do borders. This is my favorite. I love you. I love you.
I love you. Yeah.
Let's see if I can do my biggest burp of them all. Okay. Oh, that sucked. Let's try to do another one. Ooh, that was a really good one. I like these borders. Ah! Ooh, it's all little hearts. I give love. My hearts really suck. See?
Shut up.
No, that one got stuck. Uh-oh. That one's going to come out really big. Oh my goodness. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my third video. No, that's my first, second, third, fourth, fifth video of my burping. Please subscribe and comment and send me messages if you want me to do any more requests. I love you all. Thank you for watching.
Bye.